Good morning, dear students. This is your English period. Open your new learners grammar and composition. Lesson 10 main verbs and helping verbs. Remaining chapters we will learn after. First we will do our lesson 10 main verbs and helping verbs. Because main verb and helping verb is a very important part of our sentences. So, first we will do lesson 10. Open your lesson 10, page number 63. Sentence first. I dance. Here, I is subject and dance is main verb. And it is subject. In second sentence, I am dancing. In this sentence, there are two verbs, am and dance. Again, I is subject, am is helping verb, and dance is main verb. Helping verb gives more information about main verb. Helping verb gives more information about main verb, and main verb is a important part of our sentence subject plus verb plus object. So today we will read about main verbs and helping verbs in this chapter. Open your book, lesson 10. Lesson 10 main verbs and helping verbs. Notice the differences between the pairs of sentences. I dance, I am dancing. Children jump, children are jumping. Bees buzz, bees were buzzing. I read, I was reading. Did you see that in each pair, the first sentence has only one verb? It is called the main verb. Dance, jump, buzz, read. These are main verbs. Now, note that the second sentence in each pair has two verbs. The extra verbs in the second sentence is such as am, are, were, was. Help us by giving more information about the main verb. They are called helping verb. Okay. Is, am, was, were. These are our helping verbs. Let's learn. As you already know, a sentence must have a verb. Without verb, a sentence cannot be framed. Main verbs have the main responsibility of creating meaning for sentences. Helping verbs have different types of responsibilities. In sentences, they help the main verbs. Verb, two types, main verb, helping verb. Main verb, laugh, jump, eat, play. Helping verb is, am, are, was, were. Example, I go to school every day. Go is the main verb. I am going to school. Am is the helping verb. Going is the main verb. Read the following sentences. We play football every day. I work on my science subject. Marcus helps his mother in the kitchen. I plant 2 trees every year. Play, work, helps, plant are main verbs. We are playing football now. I am working on my science project. Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. I am planting a tree now. Are, am, is, am helping verbs. Okay? Read all the first sentences given in the table once again. Underline the verbs there. These are the main verbs. Write the verbs in the blanks below. Main word: play, work, helps. Underline them. Plant. Play is written. Work. Write here. Work. In sentence C, helps. H-E-L-P-S. Helps. Then question D, plants. Is a main verbs. Read the second sentences now. Here you will find both main verbs and helping verbs. Underline the helping verbs and write them in the blanks below. Underline the helping verb: are, am, is, am. And write here are, am, is, again am. These are the helping verbs in sentences 2. The helping verbs above describe the present time. The action in the sentences is in the present time. These helping verbs are represents present time. Question 3. Read some more sentences which have helping verbs. They are a little different this time. Notice the difference. I was playing cricket last Sunday. My friends were playing with me. I was very happy that day. They were going for a picnic. The helping verbs in these sentences are was and were. Was and were. They are showing past tense. Was, were are past tense helping verb. The helping verbs above describe the past time. The action in the sentences took place in the past time. Was and were are the helping verb of past time, and the action in the sentence took place in the past time. जो चीज पहले हो चुकी है, that is called past time. जैसे पहले आप क्लास 2 में थे. You were in class 2 last year. Okay? जो चीज पहले हो चुकी है, that is called past tense. और जो अभी हो रही है, that is called present tense or present time. Okay? Dear students, complete this page in your book and read these sentences again and again.